is smoke, there is fire. Where there is a god, there is the devils. Ladies and gentlemen, to beat or not to beat, that's the question. So, let's kick the bass and unchain the most mind-blowing beats from hell. Prepare to dance with the devil and pray that you will survive. The devil is a DJ. What you see ain't what you get. It's in your mind. It's in your head. You're paranoid. Paranoid in hell. Paranoid. Paranoid. Paranoid in hell. Gates are open. Gate 1, darkness, the world of demons. Look around you, they're everywhere. Gate 2, my guards are watching you. Gate 3, only evil lives here. Gate 4, there's no way out. Gate 5, feel the fire. Gate 6, pick up your weapons and fight. Fight! Fight! It's black magic, bad magic. Magic, bad magic.
I see dead people walking around like regular people. We stay until I fall asleep.
Stop the music. The game's over. You will now have to challenge time and open the gates to a new era. An era of unstoppable raves and never-ending beats. Get ready for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The future is now! I am the devil. Dance with me. You know what I can give you. I can give you sex. I can give you drugs. And what I certainly can give you is house. Sex, drugs, and house. I can give you 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 house. Sex and drugs and house.
Everything you say can and will be used against you. So shut up and dance!
Impetus viscous.